Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica Chunovek, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back guys. So today I'll be cooking indomie with you guys. I did a video about this food. Me and my brother, we ate the indomie, hot spicy indomie. This is the indomie. So guys, I added, I think he's pounding like 10 pepper. Yes, he's pounding 10 pepper, and here I'm slicing some onions, and we have sausage, and we're going to add shrimps inside, and sweet corn. So I'm just trying to prep everything and just cutting my sausage and the onions, just prepping the main ingredient for the indomie. This indomie was really spicy guys, like really hot. My brother really tried. Me, I gave up. Please go check the video out. No, let me see your reaction. I'd like to see your reaction. Yeah guys, so here, this is my shrimps. I'm going to wash it and slice it. Then here is the pot. I've already added the pepper, the onions, and the what do you call it, you know, everything. I just added everything inside. Oh god, I'm messing. So now I'm adding the reddish inside. Yeah, this is the indomie I'm gonna add inside. I'm adding it inside the pot. Then I'll add the other one, the indomie chicken, onions chicken noodles. And these people cheated me because they didn't put the other pack of the oil inside. Anyway, you lose one, you get one. So guys, this is the spices that's inside for the reddish. It came with so many spices. It came with pepper, it came with oil, it came with even little chicken blocks. It came with it, and it came with some vegetables inside. So I'm going to put all the spices inside, even with the pepper. I still added more pepper inside. Like, this indomie was really spicy guys, really spicy. And just go check that video out and let me know. So guys, after I added everything, all the spices inside the indomie, I leave it to boil. I leave it to boil for like, I think, when the indomie is soft, because I can't give you a particular time. It just depends on how you want your indomie to look like. I don't eat mine too soft. It's in the middle of soft and hard, which is really good. And this indomie was the bomb. The pepper was off the roof, but still it was still the bomb. So I'm adding the oil, all the spices. I didn't leave anyone out. I added everything inside the indomie instant noodles. Tastes great. Yeah guys, so I'm just mixing everything together, so you know, this ingredient don't stay in one place. So I just have to mix everything together so that everything will mix and cover it for it to boil. And when it's ready, you guys will see the finished look. It was so beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment. I love you guys so much. Subscribe. Bye guys.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you never be lonely. Peter Pan.